Hey guys, welcome back to knoxlocks. Today I have a very exciting mail call, I suppose. But it's basically a never thought I'd actually be able to afford purchase for myself that went right on eBay. So, long story short, I mean you see the name there, but the key. Look at that of a Bowley. Yo, for real. It was a phenomenal purchase. I happened to get off of eBay. And this is the original core. And this is the 888 by Abus. Now, what makes this core special all by itself is if you look closely, in the core it actually spells out Abus. So it's A-B-U-S. So it actually spells Abus in the core. So this is the patented 88 or 888. And this is what they had pulled from the Abus rock to make room for, yeah, you guessed it, buddy. This is the Bowley. Right there, baby. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. Beautiful Bowley. It came at the cost of camera tilt. That's fine. That's there we go. These are the most interesting keyways to me, in the sense of you're going to see the steps I have to go through to open the lock. So you have the first press, and the first, see how that already spit it out? It's under kind of like a spring pressure. So you push it in, you turn. You could feel it right there. I just engaged the second row of the discs. And there you go. You have the open. And for me, at least, I find taking the key out to be a lot easier while the lock's open than after closing the shackle. You'll see it spin. I guess you won't see nothing with the guard there. But at any rate, it would have spun the key back around. For some reason, it seems to... Well, I'll show you. Okay. Now the good example of the two steps. So now you're going to see there's like a two-step. See how that's spinning around? So at that point, it's locked kind of in the mid position, I guess, if you want to call it that, because it's halfway between the open, but yet you're still a good measure out from the unlocking it, from the extracting the key, I guess would be the proper word. You know? I said I prefer to do this while the shackle is open, just because I do not want to mess with the discs that are in here. These discs, while made by Bowley, are easily, there we go, come on, spit it out. Let's see, if you ever messed with alloy or something of that disc detainer method, it's very easy to spin just a disc or two out of place. There we go. So hopefully, as I caught on camera there was a half turn up, so it was stuck in that position. When it finally came out, it was able to spit the key out. Now, look at all that work just to get the key out. Do you actually think you're picking that? And I mean, I had to go for the Abus rock, as if you may have hopefully caught my picking time episode, my birthday episode on I believe it was March 19th, even though my birthday is 17th, St. Patrick's Day. Anyways, I had gotten a Lockwood. I purchased myself a Lockwood with the high collar shackles. I said someday, under the right circumstances, hopefully I'll be able to afford an Abus rock. Well, that day is today. And no, I couldn't afford it, but I couldn't afford the Bowley either. So between the Bowley and the rock, it was unpassable. And remember, anything is possible when everything is unlockable. Pay attention for Knoxtober, because it has begun.